Hey guys, if you are facing the problem that any of the verification code is not received on your Android phone like your Twitter, your Instagram account, your WhatsApp or any of the other app, so it might be the problem of your messages app in your Android phone. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply tap and hold on your messaging app. Click on the app info. Now here click on the storage and cache. Click on the clear cache first, then click on the clear storage, then OK. Now minimize this window from here. Open up your Play Store and then search here for your messages. Once you find it, check that if any update is available, then you just need to update it from here. Once you get an updated version of your messages, then hopefully your problem will be fixed. Otherwise, you have to just make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. Then you will be able to receive the OTP or the verification code on your Android phone without any error. And that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.